Most cruise passengers make one huge mistake the moment they step on board. They relax. But experienced cruisers know that the first hour on board is one of the most valuable parts of the entire vacation. It's when the best reservations are made, hidden perks are claimed, and simple decisions can save you time, money, and unnecessary frustration for the rest of your cruise. In this video, we're revealing 14 things experienced cruise passengers do immediately after boarding. Stay until the end, because number 1 is the simple strategy veteran cruisers say gives them the biggest advantage on every sailing. Number 14, the embarkation day buffet trap. You finally step on board. Excited, hungry, and ready to start your vacation, you do what almost everyone else does. You follow the crowd straight to the buffet. Then reality hits. Every table is taken. The serving lines stretch across the room, and finding a quiet place to eat feels almost impossible. You've waited months for this vacation, yet your very first meal feels rushed and chaotic. Experienced cruisers know there's often a better option. On many cruise lines, the main dining room is open for a relaxed embarkation lunch, and some ships also open select cafes or specialty venues. Instead of standing in long buffet lines, they enjoy table service, a calmer atmosphere, and a much more enjoyable start to their vacation. One simple question can make all the difference. Besides the buffet, what dining venues are open for lunch today? The answer may lead you to one of the ship's best-kept embarkation secrets. Hidden truth. Your first meal on board sets the tone for your entire cruise. Starting in a peaceful dining room instead of a crowded buffet can make your vacation feel like it truly began the moment you stepped aboard. But avoiding the buffet is only the beginning. The next move takes less than 5 minutes, yet it can save you hours of waiting before your cruise is even underway. Number 13. The cabin condition check. You've finally found your cabin. Most passengers immediately throw their bags on the bed, unpack their clothes, and rush off to explore the ship. Experienced cruisers do something completely different. Before unpacking a single item, they spend just a couple of minutes inspecting the cabin. They check the bathroom, furniture, balcony, lights, air conditioning, safe, television, and anything else they'll be using during the cruise. If they notice broken fixtures, stains, scratches, or equipment that isn't working properly, they take a few photos or a short video and report it to guest services right away. A simple phrase works well. "I noticed this issue when I first entered the cabin. Could you please note it and arrange for someone to take a look?" Not only does this document the condition of the cabin, but it also helps maintenance resolve problems before they interrupt your vacation. Hidden truth. The best time to report a problem isn't after it ruins your cruise. It's before you've even unpacked your suitcase. But the next habit takes even less time, and seasoned cruisers say it gives them a head start that most passengers don't realize they're missing. Number 12. The hidden germ hotspot secret. Your cabin looks spotless. The bed is perfectly made, the bathroom sparkles, and everything smells fresh. It feels like no one has ever stayed there before. But appearances can be deceiving. Even with thorough housekeeping, certain high-touch surfaces are handled repeatedly throughout every sailing. Think about the TV remote, light switches, telephone, door handles, drawer pulls, and bathroom fixtures. These are some of the first things experienced cruisers wipe down before they do anything else. It takes less than 2 minutes and gives them extra peace of mind for the rest of the voyage. If you need additional disinfectant wipes or cleaning supplies, simply ask your cabin steward. Most are happy to help if supplies are available. Hidden truth. The cleanest looking places aren't always the cleanest to touch. A couple of minutes spent sanitizing the surfaces you use most can help you start your cruise with greater confidence and fewer worries. But the next secret has nothing to do with cleanliness. It could be the difference between sleeping peacefully every night or listening to noise you never expected. Number 11. The noise reality check. Your cabin feels perfect when you first walk in. It's clean, comfortable, and exactly what you expected. But the real test doesn't happen until later. That quiet cabin could be directly below the pool deck, beside a busy elevator, near a crew service area, or underneath a late-night venue. Once the ship comes alive, unexpected noise can turn a relaxing vacation into several restless nights. Experienced cruisers don't wait until bedtime to find out. Shortly after boarding, they spend a few minutes walking the hallway and listening for anything unusual. If they notice constant noise or have concerns about the cabin's location, they visit guest services while cabin availability is still at its best. A simple question can help. If any quieter cabins become available, could you let me know? Even if a move isn't possible, you'll have more time to plan ahead with earplugs or a white noise app instead of being surprised at midnight. Hidden truth. The easiest cabin problem to solve is the one you discover on embarkation day, not after several sleepless nights. But the next trick doesn't just improve your comfort, it can make your cabin feel much larger without spending a single extra dollar. Number 10. The luggage space solution. You finally step into your cabin. Your excitement takes over, so you drop your suitcases on the floor and tell yourself, "I'll unpack after I explore the ship." Hours later, you return to a cabin that already feels cramped. You're stepping over luggage, searching through bags for your charger, and digging for clothes every morning. Somehow, the room feels much smaller than it really is. Experienced cruisers know the first few minutes on board can make the entire week more comfortable. They unpack immediately, hang their clothes, organize the drawers, and slide their empty suitcases neatly under the bed, where most cruise ships are designed to store full-size luggage. If they need extra hangers or storage ideas, they simply ask their cabin steward. In less than 15 minutes, the cabin transforms from a temporary hotel room into a comfortable home base for the rest of the voyage. Hidden truth. The secret to a spacious cruise cabin isn't booking a bigger room. It's organizing the one you already have before the vacation truly begins. But the next trick doesn't just improve your comfort. It could protect your safety for the rest of the cruise, and surprisingly, most passengers never think to do it. Number 9. The safety drill shortcut. You've just boarded the ship, and the last thing you want to do is spend your vacation standing in another long line. The mandatory safety drill doesn't sound exciting. So many passengers put it off until the last minute. That's a mistake. On many modern cruise ships, much of the safety briefing can now be completed through the cruise app or your cabin television before you report to your assigned muster station. By finishing it early, you avoid the last-minute rush and can focus on actually learning where to go if an emergency ever occurs. Experienced cruisers complete the digital portion as soon as they board, then walk to their muster station while the ship is still quiet. It only takes a few minutes, but it gives them confidence knowing exactly where to go if they ever need it. If you're unsure how your ship handles the drill, simply ask a crew member, "What's the quickest way to complete today's safety briefing?" Hidden truth. The safety drill isn't just another requirement. It's the one activity you hope you'll never need but should always take seriously. Completing it early lets you enjoy the rest of your cruise with complete peace of mind. But the next move is one experienced cruisers never delay, because waiting even a few hours could mean missing out on the most sought-after dining reservations on board. Number 8. The Reservation Race. You tell yourself you'll book everything after lunch. Big mistake. By the time many passengers open the cruise app or visit the reservation desks, the most popular dinner times, theater performances, and spa appointments are already disappearing. What looked wide open just a few hours ago is suddenly filled with limited or inconvenient time slots. Experienced cruisers don't wait. As soon as they board, they connect to the ship's Wi-Fi, open the cruise app, or head directly to the restaurant and entertainment desks to reserve the experiences they don't want to miss. Acting early often gives them the best selection without paying anything extra. If you're unsure where to begin, simply ask, "What are your best available dining and showtimes for this week?" That one question can unlock the schedule everyone else will be trying to book later. Hidden truth. The best reservations don't usually go to the passengers who spend the most. They go to the ones who book first. Before we reveal the 7 most powerful boarding strategies, take a quick second to subscribe. Every week, we uncover insider cruise secrets, money-saving tips, and little-known tricks that can help you avoid common mistakes and get far more value from every voyage. So far, we've covered ways to make your cabin more comfortable, secure the best reservations, and start your cruise like a seasoned traveler. But the next 7 tips are where experienced cruisers gain their biggest advantage. Some can save you money, others can unlock hidden perks, and one simple habit at number 1 could completely change the way you experience every future cruise. Number 7. The cabin steward connection. Most passengers don't meet one of the most helpful people on the ship until several days into their cruise. By then, they've already missed countless opportunities to make their cabin more comfortable. Experienced cruisers introduce themselves to their cabin steward as soon as they arrive. They learn their name, exchange a friendly greeting, and mention any preferences they may have, such as extra pillows, additional hangers, ice delivery, or a preferred cleaning schedule. A simple introduction goes a long way. Try saying, "Hi, I'm your name. Looking forward to a great week. If possible, could you help me with a specific request?" Building that relationship early helps ensure your requests are understood from the very beginning, making the rest of your cruise smoother and more enjoyable. Hidden truth. The best cabin upgrade isn't something you buy. It's the relationship you build with the crew member who looks after your home away from home. But the next strategy doesn't just make your cruise more comfortable. It can actually help you keep more money in your pocket before the voyage is over. Number 6. The guest services advantage. Most passengers only visit guest services when something goes wrong. Experienced cruisers stop by before anything goes wrong at all. Embarkation day is often the best time to confirm your onboard account, verify that your Wi-Fi or drink package has been activated, and make sure any pre-purchased amenities appear correctly. The lines are usually shorter than they will be later in the cruise, giving staff more time to answer your questions. While you're there, it never hurts to ask if there are any complimentary items or embarkation day promotions available. A simple question like, "Are there any onboard promotions or complimentary items I should know about today?" may reveal opportunities you'd otherwise miss. Taking care of these details early means you'll spend the rest of your cruise enjoying the ship instead of standing in line trying to fix account issues. Hidden truth. The best time to solve a cruise problem is before it becomes one. A 5-minute stop at guest services can save hours of frustration later in the week. But the next strategy reveals something many passengers never even notice. And once you know it, you'll discover parts of the ship most people never experience. Number 5. The ship exploration window. The moment you board, most passengers head in the same direction: the buffet, the pool, or the nearest bar. Experienced cruisers go the opposite way. They know embarkation afternoons are the quietest time to explore the ship before thousands of passengers settle in. It's the perfect opportunity to discover panoramic observation decks, peaceful lounges, quiet reading corners, adult-only areas, hidden hot tubs, and scenic outdoor spaces that many guests never even notice. Instead of wandering aimlessly later in the week, they already know exactly where to escape when the ship becomes busy. If you're looking for somewhere special, simply ask a crew member, "What are some quieter spots on the ship that most passengers don't discover?" You may be surprised by the hidden gems they recommend. Hidden truth. The most memorable places on a cruise aren't always listed on the deck map. They're often the quiet corners you discover before everyone else does. But the next move isn't about finding hidden spaces. It could save you hundreds of dollars before your cruise is even halfway over. Number 4. The price check advantage. You booked your drink package, Wi-Fi, or specialty dining weeks before your cruise. Problem solved, right? Not always. Cruise lines sometimes introduce embarkation day promotions or limited-time onboard offers on selected packages and services. While many pre-purchased items remain the best value, it's worth checking whether any new promotions or bundled deals have become available after you board. Experienced cruisers take a few minutes on embarkation day to visit guest services or the appropriate sales desk and ask, "Are there any onboard promotions or special offers available for this package today?" If you've already purchased a package, you can also politely ask whether there are any price adjustments, upgrade offers, or additional perks currently available. While it's never guaranteed, some cruise lines may have promotional options depending on the sailing. Hidden truth. The smartest cruisers don't assume yesterday's price is today's best deal. They simply take a moment to ask. Sometimes one question is all it takes to unlock extra value. But the next strategy isn't about saving money. It's about avoiding one of the biggest embarkation day mistakes families make without even realizing it. Number 3. The youth program advantage. If you're cruising with children or grandchildren, this could become one of the smartest decisions you make on embarkation day. Most families assume they can register for youth activities later in the week. By then, some of the most popular programs, themed events, and limited capacity activities may already be full. Experienced cruise families head to the youth club shortly after boarding. Registering early helps children become familiar with the staff, explore the facilities, and secure spots in activities that often fill up quickly. A simple question can make a big difference. Which youth activities fill up the fastest, and how can we reserve a spot? Starting early doesn't just improve the kids' experience. It gives parents and grandparents more flexibility to relax, enjoy adult activities, and plan the rest of the vacation with confidence. Hidden truth. The best family memories aren't made by waiting until tomorrow. They begin the moment you secure today's opportunities. But the next strategy rewards every type of traveler, because it's one of the easiest ways to unlock perks that many passengers never even realize are available. Number 2. The activity rewards secret. Most passengers join trivia games, dance classes, cooking demonstrations, or scavenger hunts simply for fun. Experienced cruisers know there can be an extra benefit. On many cruise lines, certain activities offer prizes, recognition, or small rewards throughout the sailing. These might include branded souvenirs, medals, certificates, or other giveaways, depending on the cruise line and the specific event. While the rewards vary, joining early gives you more opportunities to participate and enjoy everything the ship has to offer. After boarding, take a few minutes to review the daily schedule or ask the activities staff. Are there any games, tournaments, or activity challenges running throughout this cruise? You may discover events you would have otherwise missed, and some could become the highlight of your vacation. Hidden truth. The best rewards on a cruise aren't always found in the casino or the gift shop. They often come from simply getting involved and making the most of every day on board. But the final strategy is the one seasoned cruisers swear by. It's simple, costs nothing, and can completely transform your cruise from ordinary to unforgettable. Number 1. The embarkation upgrade secret. You've finally boarded your cruise. Like everyone else, you're excited to see your cabin, grab lunch, and start exploring the ship. But experienced cruisers often make one important stop first: guest services. Why? Embarkation day is when cabin inventory is at its most flexible. If higher category cabins remain available, this is often the best time to politely ask whether any upgrade opportunities or relocation options exist. While upgrades are never guaranteed, some passengers are pleasantly surprised by discounted offers or special upgrade opportunities that may not be available later in the voyage. A simple question is all it takes. Are there any cabin upgrade opportunities available today? Even if the answer is no, you've lost nothing. But if the answer is yes, your entire vacation could change, from a standard inside cabin to an ocean view, balcony, or even something more spacious than you expected. Final hidden truth. The biggest cruise upgrades don't always go to the passengers who spend the most. They often go to the ones who politely ask at the right time. One simple question could turn a great vacation into an unforgettable one. Now you know the 14 things experienced cruise passengers do immediately after boarding. The difference between an average cruise and an incredible one often comes down to what you do during that very first hour. Plan ahead, act early, and you'll spend the rest of your vacation enjoying the rewards while everyone else is still trying to catch up. Which strategy will you try first on your next cruise? Share your own boarding day discoveries in the comments. Let's help everyone cruise smarter. Ready to discover the secret cruise ship areas and hidden perks most passengers never find? Check out my next video for exclusive insights that will transform your cruise experience. Hit like, share with fellow cruisers, and subscribe for insider tips that save you money and elevate every voyage. Until next time, smooth sailing.